Tesla Semi undergoes major redesign. Tesla put its all-electric semi-truck through quite a major redesign, as its dedicated factory for the vehicle is preparing for initial deliveries to the public starting next year. The Semi has been one of the most anticipated products in the Tesla lineup due to the disruption it could cause in the trucking industry. It has already been in numerous pilot programs for some pretty large companies over the past couple of years, Pepsi being one of them, and it is moving toward first deliveries to other companies sometime in 2026. Yesterday, at the 2025 annual shareholder meeting, Tesla unveiled its new Semi design, which underwent a pretty significant facelift to match the aesthetic and vibe of the other vehicles in the company's lineup. Additionally, Tesla announced some other improvements, including changes to efficiency and some other changes that we did not get details on yet. The first change was to the design of the Semi, as Tesla adopted its blade-like light bar for the Class 8 truck, similar to the one that is used on the new Model Y and the Cybertruck. There also appear to be a handful of design changes that help with aerodynamics, as its efficiency has increased to 1.7 kilowatt-hours per mile. Tesla also said it has an increased payload capability, which will help companies to haul more goods per trip. All of these changes come as the company's Semi factory, which is located on the same property as its Gigafactory in Reno, Nevada, is just finishing up. In late October, it was shown that the Semi facility is nearly complete, based on recent drone imagery from factory observer Henrik Zane on X Tesla. Semi factory looks nearly complete. The factory will be capable of producing about 50,000 Tesla Semi units annually when it is completely ramped. The company has major plans to help get the Semi in more fleets across the United States. Other entities are also working to develop a charging corridor for electric Class 8 trucks. The state of California was awarded $102 million to develop a charging corridor that spans from Washington to Southern California. Another corridor is being developed that spans from Southern California to Texas, and 49 applicants $636 million won from the Department of Transportation for it. Tesla requested funding for it but was denied. The Semi has been a staple in several companies' fleets over the past few years, most notably that of Frito-Lay and Pepsi, who have reported positive experiences thus far. Musk said last year that the Semi had ridiculous demand. Source, reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.